Namaskar and welcome. It's me Mahalaxmi. You are watching Be Healthy Keep Healthy Yoga channel. Today I'm going to show you how to grow wheatgrass at home. If we grow wheatgrass juice at home and if we make wheatgrass juice and we drink, it will really effective for our body. We will get so many vitamins, minerals and so many other things. I will tell in my next episode when I will make wheatgrass juice. So we can grow wheatgrass juice at home. I'm going to show you. It is very cheap process and it will be really effective also. So let's check it. Okay, now I'm going to show you how we can grow wheatgrass at home. First we need wheat seed. If possible, try to buy organic seed. If you don't get, that's fine. Whatever seed you have, you can use it. And we need a 7 pot like this, or whatever pot you have, you can use it. I put wheat seed into water 1 day before. Now it is completely soaked. I have soil which is organic. If possible, try to buy organic soil. It will be much better. If you don't have, that's fine. If you don't get, that's fine. Now I'm going to sprinkle water into this soil. Now you can see this wheat seed is completely soaked. Now we can sprinkle into this soil, but we need to sprinkle equally, like this way. Top of wheat seed we need to put some soil and we can sprinkle water. After that we can cover from paper towel or cloth or plastic. If you want to use plastic, you need to make hole. Every day we need to sprinkle water 2-3 times, not too much but a little bit we need to sprinkle because it will help to grow wheatgrass very fast. You can see I have 7 pot here. So this one is first day one, this one is second day one, this is third day one, this is fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh day, which is I'm going to make wheatgrass juice right now. This wheatgrass is ready for wheatgrass juice. I will make wheatgrass juice at home and I will show you how we can make it, what is the benefit of wheatgrass juice, when we can drink, what is the what kind of vitamin, minerals and other things we will get it. So you need to wait for next episode. Try to grow wheatgrass juice at home and share your experience in our channel. Thank you very much for watching Be Healthy Keep Healthy Yoga channel. Wherever you are, whatever you are doing, try to do best, try to be safe. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel and share your experience how you are growing wheatgrass at home. Namaskar. Bye bye.